Dear all, hope everyone is enjoying the weekend. Today I'm here to show you an indicator which will help you take trade in the right direction. This is called the institution zone. These levels act as trend reversal points. They act as good support and resistance zone. And if the price breaks these levels, this can trigger a trend continuation with good momentum. And these zones would get automatically marked at 9:15 and will remain the same throughout the day. So let's look at how it works. So this is Nifty chart for you, and these are the zones. This is basically called the demand and supply zone. You may call a support or resistance zone. So as long as the price, so what you're trying to look here is this is a resistance, this is a support. So if you want to take a trade, the best trade will be if the price starts rejecting here, you can go for a short trade and make good amount of money. At the same time, if the price starts to respect this level, which is the support zone, you can go for a long trade and make some good money. So this is where the institutions are looking, eyeing, and any break of any kind of this level. So for example, if it breaks here and moves away, of course you will be looking for a long trade, and that will be a very good long trade, because this resistance will now act as support. And similarly, if the support gets broken and it starts falling down, you will look for a retest and go for a short trade. Hope this is clear. So let me show you some examples. So this is a Nifty closed on 9 September. So let's look at some more point. So for example, in this day, the Nifty was trading between this range. So as per this methodology, you might not find a trade. So let's look at more examples. Again, on 7th, there was not much of a trade. Yeah, kind of one trade, because if you see, it started reaching the institution level, resistance zone, but again, it didn't give any kind of a signal. So now this is, I think, 6th of September, yeah. So look at the chart. So this is the support. So probably looking at this fall, most of us would be thinking of a short trade. Look at how the reversal happened. See, this is the fall, and look at the reversal that happened. Probably looking at here, somebody might start taking a short trade and might get just lost. Or so this is how this zone plays beautifully. So hope you're understanding this concept of demand and supply, or you may call it, there is a support and resistance. So let's look at a few more examples. This is Bank Nifty. So Bank Nifty, again on this day also, if you see towards the end, it gave a good signal here, and you could have gone for a long trade and got decent money. And similarly on 8th of September, as soon as this levels started getting broken, look at the momentum that it generates. So easily 100 and 200 points from here. Say for example, it was 40,229 and around 150 points. So it was actually towards the end of the day, so not much of a traction, but yes, if it happens, it will give you. See this. This is 6th of September, and see how beautifully it took the support. People might have shorted here, got lost. That's it. And see the momentum. So similarly, let's look at, and this works well with both stocks, also index, of course, Nifty and Bank Nifty. Apart from that, stocks. Let's see Reliance. The same concept, nothing, no changes. These levels get automatically populated. This is what we have created. See this now. This is the support zone. As soon as it got broken, see how the momentum started generating, and see. So for example, the price was here, and we always say the retest. So see 2586, and you got an easy 20 points in Reliance. Similarly, let's look at HDFC Bank. See this again. Seeing this, people might have thought that this is a good opportunity to enter long trades. See how people got trapped here. It didn't even cross the borderline. So see how it fell. And I'm not saying with the conviction that this is, as I said previously, this levels gets populated at 9:15. I'm not saying that this. I'm not doing a post analysis of the market. I'm just saying if it breaks this, I'm looking for a long trade. Until then, I'm looking for a short trade at this level, not here. I'll be looking for a retest and then looking for a short trade. This is how you should analyze a trade. Let's see some more example. Axis Bank, nothing, nothing. Infosys, beautiful. See, this is what I said. As soon as the resistance get broken with the momentum, you look for a short, long trade and you'll get a beautiful amount, beautiful trade. Similarly, TCS, again TCS, see the support as soon as it started. So a lot of people might have shorted here, and they will all have gone berserk by here seeing this move. So this is something you can clearly notice, and of course it's also finished towards the day high. Let's look at more example. Let's look at Ultratech. See this. Looking at this, people might have gone for a short long trade, and see what has happened, and see what has happened after it broke. Let's say you could not take a trade in between here, but you can certainly take a trade. This would be more like a you can easily take this trade, right? You know that now it is going to act as a support. Support is broken, so now it will act as a resistance. So this is how you should be looking at, and this is our proprietary indicator. So we will be conducting a 2-day workshop towards the first week of October. The contents are so we will be covering future options, basics, technical analysis, price action, charts, indicator, strategy. This is one of the strategy that I'm showing here, and then the risk management. Apart from that, you will also be given access to this particular indicator. You can use this and do a lot of backtesting to understand how it works, and I'm sure this is going to be very helpful. This, at least you will not go on a wrong side. This I can assure you, and I'm sure you will over a period of time be able to use this tool more effectively. Hope this helps. Thank you and have a rest of good day.